Hey, it's Atif here, one of SEO executives at Parliament. Today we are gonna study about the robots.txt file, and we will be going through where to use this, why is this important, and how to configure this properly, what are the rules inside this, and multiple things. So the robot.txt is a set of rules that mostly tells the crawlers about our website structure, like which pages are supposed to be crawled and indexed and which pages are not supposed to be crawled. So think like your website is your house and the crawlers are the visitors at your house, and then the robot.txt like this is a set of rules and the signboards on the doors of your house which tells the visitors or crawlers about which room to enter or not. So simply in that terms, the disallow would mean no entry, and the allow will means you can enter that room. So that's how it actually works. And to configure this, for example, the basic rules of robot.txt files are here. I have pasted those. And the first line tells the Google that this robot.txt is for each type of crawlers, whether it's which search engine like Bing or Google or others. So that's for that. And then these are two basic things that we can add. The first one is adding a disallow, and then the second thing is adding a allow tag. So from here, we will add this exactly this word over here, and then after that we can add that specific page that is supposed to be disallowed. And if we add slash symbol at the end, then it would mean that each and everything inside this folder will be only implemented with this rule. So by this line, it means each and every file that's in admin folder or page will be disallowed. But if we remove the last line, like last slash, then it would mean each and every URL that is starting or containing these words or is starting by this thing, then each and every of the URL will be disallowed, and the Google and other crawlers will not be able to crawl this. And then if we simply place this slash, then it would mean each and everything on our website would be implemented with this tag except the ones that where we have added the disallow tag. So that's how these things works. And then at the end, what we can do as extra is we can add sitemap of our website here. The way to embed that is we need to write sitemap and then colon one space and then link of our sitemap. For example, we have already configured this one. This is the link of our sitemaps, and that's how the robot.txt is used and configured. While mostly it is used to save the crawl budget from being wasted on unnecessary pages, and then our important pages get crawled only from the crawlers.